there are two main methods that allow you to take screenshot on Nothing Phone 3a. The first method is by using the volume down button and the power button. So if you press both of these buttons at the same time, you will capture a screenshot. There is also screenshot gesture, which has to be enabled first before you can actually use it. So we need to jump to settings, choose special features, go to gestures, and then over here we have screenshot gesture. We need to enable 3-finger swipe. So now we can, with 3 fingers, slide down like this in order to capture a screenshot, or you can press and hold 3 fingers on the screen and then drag it down in order to select the area that you wish to capture. And even if you capture not the full area that you wish to capture, so if you manage to not capture everything that you wanted, you can still extend it by using these corners or sides of the screenshot. And we also have some additional tools here at the bottom, and we can press save in the top left corner. Check this playlist to find more guides, like, comment, subscribe.